Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i uria no muikariri wa kamiti ya mwanya kugereka mathogora ma thitima niagire na giikaro na bodi ya Kambuni ya utambia wa thitima ya KPLC itemi ria gutangikira makaya ma Kenya hari kuongerereka gwa thogora wa thitima. Kuringana na Matiang'i, ihinda ni ikinyu Kenya auro murigo wa marihi ma iguru ma thitima, akiuga undu uyu ukoretwo ukirituhia garama yake ya muturire na gikiro kia iguru.
We were given a deadline of 90 days by His Excellency the President to do this. We have begun this work today. I am confident that working closely with colleagues as we've had this morning, we will achieve the target that we were given by His Excellency the President.
Ningi Matiang'i nirutite watho wa kurugamia ngirimiti ciothe gatagati ga Kambuni ya KPLC na anyiti itemi angi othe kwiranira wambiririo wa uthurimi wa mathabu ma kambuni ino undu umwe na mirutire yayo ya wira.
Effective now, we have suspended any negotiation on any new PPAs. We are going to deal with the PPAs that we have in place. We are going to do a forensic audit of some of our systems and procedures at KPLC.
Imwe cia honge iria ihetwo wira wa kugereka KPLC ni hamwe na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa ciiko cia wikinaĩ rwa DCI, undu umwe na ruhonge rwa guthurima mathabu ma thirikari rwa FRC. Ningi njira cia gukinyaniria mbiro cia thitima cia huthiria thitima ni ciikirirwo nganja gukuna wa cia thitima makiheo mukana wa ati matuko mao ni magereke.
Our bills are unsustainable as they are today. We cannot continue this way. So we have agreed with the board on a very aggressive method of reviewing even the billing system at the KPLC to ensure that it not only passes muster, but it addresses some of these challenges that we have. So I'm confident.
Kuona thogora wa maguta ukoretwo uri murigo kuri ya Kenya, Minista Matiang'i nieranire guthie thi kwa thogora wa maguta, agitariria ati ndudu ya minista nirikitie kunanira njung'wa na kwaraniria iguru rigie ndeto ino, akiuga ica ikuhi ni gukorwo na ugaruruku hari thogora wa maguta.
We have not only identified some of the systemic challenges we need to address, but we have taken steps, and you will see when the next review happens that as the result of the many actions that have been taken, you will see some reductions in the cost of fuel as we go forward. I mean, government never makes promises in vain.
Riu mendekithia mothe maria maheanirwo ni kamiti ya mwanya igie thogora wa thitima ni matanyite gukinyanirio ihinda-ini ria mieri itatu yukite. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV ritwe rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.